Hey there, TNG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got what just may be the baddest single axle trailer build rolling out of the shop today. Now this is going to my man Scotty in California. We're about to load it up on our big trailer, ship it all the way across the country to him. But I didn't want y'all to miss this one, so let's check it out. Now, like I said, it is on our single axle trailer build. Now guys, we got a couple different, well really several different options for our single axle trailers. This is one of the bigger ones. This is a 6,000 pound brake axle, so it does have brakes on it. Obviously he's upgraded the wheels and tires, the white walls, but basically we sat down with Scotty, figured out everything he wanted on the trailer, and then we designed and built the trailer around his setup, so all fits really well. Up front here, we do have some wood storage. He's got his propane tank in there. Obviously he's got some propane accessories on here. One of those being this double burner griddle top. So we've got a 1/4 inch griddle top here. It actually folds up out of the way. So if you want to just set you a potter pan up there, you can set you a potter pan up there. You've got a latch right here to latch it while it's going down the road. Each burner individually regulated from each other. Come around to the smoker here. Now this is our Fridge 60 smoker. So this is a big boy, reverse flow, 3 sliding trays in here, guys. This smoker with the hot box is well over a 500 gallon tank smoker capacity. So a lot of cook room in a small footprint here. We got our standard firebox, all 1/4 inch plate steel, of course. Still got your fire management cradle in there. Ash clean out on the bottom. Now come around to our hot box here. Now this is our extra large hot box, so you get a bigger hot box on the Fridge 60. Over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box. Still has our same plate in the bottom, so it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. You can get direct fire in here if you need to. It's a really versatile option there. And back here we've got a big wood storage area. Throw your wood in there right next to the smoker and your grill, or throw you some coolers back there, whatever you need to store. Up next we've got our 48 inch Santa Maria grill. Guys, these grills are great. Super fun to cook on, draw a crowd. You got your double doors here to tend your fire. And up next we've got our 6-gallon Cajun fryer here, double basket. Got your regulator right here for it. Guys, nothing goes better with some barbecue than some fried. We got hush puppies, fries, smoke some chicken wings, throw them in here, crisp them up, just come out great. Of course, we got a matching white wall spare here. This is one slick single axle trailer build here. Really came out nice. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TNG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.